Alright, here we go. The MinimumRC 0. Maiden flight. Wow, those ailerons are really effective. Looks great. Let's try a loop. A roll. It's hovering a bit. Let's bring it down. Trying to just bring it into the right full throttle. And a roll. Rolls really well. When you suddenly drop. Oh, oh! I wonder if it'll take off that table. I think it might. Give it a go. Might get straight off, mightn't it? Go. Fantastic. Well, that goes well. I'd say that was a successful maiden flight. Right, before my fingers freeze up completely, let's get the crop duster out. PZL106. Okay. Test the controls. Okay. Oops. No turn of speed. Again, it's very sensitive controls. Feeling good when your fingers are numb. Adjust it around a bit. Yes, that was me. Okay, go again. don't turn downwind really. It looks lovely in the air, look at that. Yellow and red, shining. Oh dear, broke a wing. I was trying to coax her back. I think the wind took it. Easy fix, of course, but I nearly fitted struts on the wings as well. Oh yeah, easy fix, look. It's just broke off. Clean, it's a clean break. Yeah, easy fix. Well, best flown on a bit of a calmer day, I think. Okay, there we are. That's the maiden flight of the Quad Duster PZL106 and the Zero. So thanks for watching, hit the little like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!